Diesel engines are built for the open road, not for traffic jams. In city driving, soot doesn't burn off, and the DPF gradually clogs. The new Xado Red Dpf Cleaner restores your filter's performance, right while you drive with no disassembly required. CERAFER Twin Flame technology lowers the soot ignition temperature, enabling faster and cleaner regeneration. The REVITALIZANT component protects injectors and fuel system parts from wear, extending the engine's lifespan. Add it before refueling, and your DPF will clean itself, even in stop-and-go city traffic. Xado Red Dpf Cleaner. A clean filter, a stronger diesel. No compromises.